So I recently found this. This is the $1,000 Savings Challenge by DreamPlay, and it comes in different colors. I got the one in pink, and inside of it, it says $1,000 Savings Challenge, and then you have this little part right here where you can mark out the 40s, or you can stick these little stickers on this. You can also take these stickers and put it on each one. The idea is this is going to help you save your first $1,000. If you know anything about changing behaviors in your relationship with finance, it is hard, but something like this can motivate families or even teenagers. So I got this for my daughter who is going to be working soon, and I have emphasized that the first $1,000 in your savings is the hardest, and after that it becomes second nature and it becomes part of your habit. So this is what it looks like up close. You can open it up and flip through the pages, and then you can slip the money at the top of this sleeve. Here I am explaining it to my daughter on how it works, and I am just letting her put in her first few dollars into her savings. So if you're looking for a fun way to challenge your teenagers or yourself, your family members, I would definitely recommend that you check this out.